This is a disgrace.
Wasn't it? Going the other day.
Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 9. So we're in my car right now. I'm wearing a head tie. It's about afternoon times. I look crazy, but I honestly had to run out of the house because I need to fix my nail. So this nail here broke off and I'm just gonna get the one nail fixed because that's all she has time for today, and then I'm gonna go back later and get, like, you know, the full refill. But I can't walk around with one nail missing. It's just like, it's either they're all off or they're all on. So I'm gonna fix this one nail here, and the nail literally just came off because it was filled with water. Like, I'm in water all the time. Either I'm cooking or I'm bathing, washing my hair. Anyways, I'm gonna go do my nail and come back. My nail is fixed. Was it this one? Yeah, it's this middle finger here. It took like 25 minutes. Or a little bit less. My hands are super dry right now. She offered me oil, but I was just like, forget it. Let's just go. So I'm at the grocery store right now. I'm gonna pick up some food, of course. I definitely need to pick up some more fruits and vegetables and salad. And I'm gonna get some more of that ground chicken so I can make more burrito bowls like you guys saw in my other vlog. I was gonna tell you it's only 2 bags. Hey Cass.
Hi. Thought you were gonna tell me.
What's wrong?
No, I'm gonna eat the pizza first, but.
What do you see? What got you excited? I know, every time I see those ones I always pick them up because I know that's what you like. This is a disgrace.
Wasn't it? Going the other day, like 2 days ago?
Yeah, but they die so fast.
It's mine.
This is so embarrassing.
I was like, where's mommy? Like, nail. Nail. She left go do nail.
I went to fix my nail. See, I fixed my nail.
Yeah.
This one came off, so I fixed it.
Eat your pizza.
No.
Eat the pizza, girl.
No, you have to eat pizza.
No.
One time for my LA sisters. One time for my LA hoes. 2 times for my...
Mommy.
Nutriments?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna get nutriment when you're done eating your pizza, okay?
My cup? Oh, seriously?
Yeah, seriously. There you go. This is all the stuff that I got from the grocery store just now. It's not really a lot, but it's everything that we need for the week. We end up usually going grocery shopping for the week, like every week, even if it's like a small grocery shop. But I just got some berries this time. Usually I get grapes and blueberries, but this time I decided to get raspberries and blueberries. Got some lettuce, tomato, some black beans. This is for my burrito bowl. Got some wings. Calma enjoys eating wings often. My ground chicken, hot dogs, cheese, so that we can make turkey breast sandwiches. Micah likes eating turkey breast sandwiches, especially for lunch at school. So this is like mostly for Micah's lunch. So that's what that's for. The kids like to eat macaroni and cheese, but they prefer the white cheddar, so this is the one that I use. Macaroni and cheese, and they like to put hot dogs, so we put chicken hot dogs in there for them. And then of course like some chips just to snack on. So this is gonna be like for the week, and obviously we have other stuff at home. For the chicken breast sandwich, I picked up some bread, some sourdough bread. And this is just a regular white sliced bread for Micah to go to school. Alright, so I'm gonna start my burrito bowl, honestly. So I'm gonna fry this up and steam some rice. And obviously the ground chicken needs to get cooked as well, but that's like so easy. So this will probably take like 20 minutes in total. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna prepare for today.
I was trying to hit it, so I can't.
No.
Mommy, collect some apple juice.
So I'm basically done like cooking up the ingredients that needed to be cooked. But what I did was I put them in these containers here. It makes it so much easier for when I'm serving out my food, like making my bowl. And also makes it easier for when I want to store them away with what I didn't eat, obviously. So like all I have to do after I finish serving up my beans is just put the cover over it and then put it in the fridge. But yeah, this is pretty much it. The only thing I'm missing is like avocados. I usually put avocados in, but I didn't get any today. And this is a lot of rice. This is a lot of rice in proportion to the vegetables and meat that I have here. But I'll probably use the rice like tomorrow if the kids have chicken or anything. How much rice do you want? Alright, so this is how our bowl looks. This one is Calmore's bowl. You can't really see, but he has more rice than I do. And this is my bowl. They actually look identical, but it's not. And this is the leftovers here, the rice, the beef, and the beans. I'm gonna put this in some Tupperware as well and get the lid for the corn here. So this is pretty much it, and then this will serve us for the next couple days. And then, well, for dinner at least, just for dinner. But of course, like if we want anything else, we'll just cook whatever else. I'm not gonna lie, today was like a pretty like drab day for me. I feel like really tired. It was like a really fast day, but however, I felt really rushed and I feel really exhausted. But I'm gonna go eat some food. I am gonna go see my friends later, a couple of my friends. So I'm gonna try to get, you know, dressed a little bit to bring up my spirits, maybe have, you know, a glass of wine just to relax and unwind. But I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 10. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting. Don't forget to like this video and comment, of course. I see all your comments. And subscribe if you're new, okay? I'll see you guys. Bye.